Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechOns. So today I will show you how to add beneficiary account details for HDFC Net Banking fund transfer, and here I show the steps by using the desktop mode, but if you have a HDFC mobile app also you can try the same method. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, click to access this HDFC Net Banking official website and also complete your login details. So once you complete this login processes, now your net banking dashboard is ready to use. So now in this section, in top it shows the all net banking service categories. So here you can go to funds transfer and the second one. So if you select this category, in left side it shows the one more subcategory. So here you can press this arrow mark from request category, and then I get the one option called add a beneficiary. So just press this option. So now they ask for the transaction type, and the first one is transfer within the bank and transfer to the other bank and transfer to ECMS account and remit now, and the final one is cardless cash withdrawal. So this transaction type is for your choice, but here I want to transfer the money from HDFC to TMP bank, which means that I transfer the money from HDFC to other bank. So I select transfer to other bank. So finally they ask for my beneficiary account details, which means that other bank account details. So I put the account number and one more time re-enter that same account number and also select the account type. So my account is savings. So the next one is IFSC code. So if you know that exact code, just put it. So otherwise, if you want to search that IFSC code, just click here to select IFSC code and then locate your branch name. So and the next one is beneficiary name. So you can fill this section. And the final one is email ID. So you can put it. So anyway, once you fill all the sections and finally you can press add option, and it's also notification, so you can read carefully and then click to OK. And one more time they ask for the confirmation process, so you can check it. So once you check it and then click to confirm. But during this beneficiary add process, they verify your identity by sending the OTP message. So just check your mobile if any OTP message is received or not. So once you enter the OTP and then click to continue. So finally it shows account added successfully. So you can wait for the maximum of 30 minutes. But friends, remember one thing, if you add the new beneficiary, you won't able to transfer the money for that new beneficiary account for more than 50,000, and this restriction is only for first 24 hours. So you can read the terms and conditions from this website. So anyway, overall I complete my tutorial. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechOns, and thanks for watching.